Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Medical Group e-learning. This is Hafsa Mubin from FMDC and we are doing Unit 11 of Physiology, which is about motor neurology. We are on chapter 61. It is about autonomic nervous system, and first of all, table of specification. From this whole unit in paper there will be 2 SCQs and 12 MCQs. Now regarding this chapter, you need to know that first 3 pages are important from Guyton. Otherwise you have to do whole chapter from Firdaus. Now this para is not important, you can neglect this. This is the first topic, journal organization of autonomic nervous system. Important points are highlighted. This topic is important for your concepts, and some important MCQs are here which are being highlighted. These 2 diagrams are very important for MCQs. Remaining this blue box is just important for your concepts. You have to give it a thorough reading. This is third important diagram of this chapter, anatomy of the autonomic nervous system, and these diagrams are helpful in understanding the anatomy of autonomic nervous system, so they are important for your concepts and they come in MCQs. Next is the basic characteristics of sympathetic and parasympathetic functions. This topic is for your concepts. You just have to read this. This whole page is just for your concepts. You have to read this. You have to give it once reading. Now onwards, whole chapter is just important for your concepts and for your self-study, except for these 2 tables. This is table 1. This is important for your MCQs. This whole text is not very important, you can neglect this. Some points are MCQ is important and they are here. This whole table is important for your MCQs. Otherwise there is no need of doing whole chapter. And in case you want to make your concepts all clear and strong concepts, then you have to read this whole chapter. Otherwise, for paper point of view, all the highlighted diagrams and tables are important, and this whole text is just for your reading, for your concepts. This whole chapter is important for your concepts except for first 3 pages. If you have time and you want to make clear concepts, then you have to read this. Pharmacology of the autonomic nervous system. Some drugs are important for your MCQs, and I have highlighted all those important drugs. Ganglionic blocking drugs, and here are anticholinesterases and antimuscarinic drugs. This is nicotine. So that's all about chapter 61. For more details and for MCQ practice, do consult Medical Globe MCQ Crack series. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and supply solved university questions to ace your vivas, chapter polls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ cracks encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.